Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Installing Python libraries in Visual Studio Code on macOS is a straightforward process. Visual Studio Code, VS Code, supports various ways to manage Python libraries, but one of the most common methods is using the integrated terminal to run commands. Here's a step-by-step tutorial. If you haven't already installed Visual Studio Code, you can download it from the official website, Visual Studio Code. Make sure you have Python installed on your Mac OS. You can download Python from the official website, Python Downloads. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new Python file or open an existing one. If you don't have a Python file, you can create a new one with a .py extension. Open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code. You can do this by selecting View Terminal or using the shortcut Ctrl+. To install a Python library, you can use the pip command in the terminal. For example, let's install the popular library requests. This command installs the requests library, which is commonly used for making HTTP requests. After the installation is complete, you can verify that the library is installed correctly by checking the output in the terminal. If there are no error messages, the library is installed successfully. Now that you have installed the library, you can use it in your Python code. For example, this code uses the requests library to make an HTTP GET request to https://www.example.com and prints the response text. That's it. You've successfully installed a Python library in Visual Studio Code on Mac OS. Feel free to explore and install other libraries based on your project requirements. ChatGPT.